The 2027 Ferrari Roma proves that breathtaking performance and timeless elegance can exist in perfect harmony. While many modern supercars chase aggressive styling and extreme aerodynamics, Ferrari has taken a different path with the Roma. It embraces clean, flowing lines, luxurious comfort, and exhilarating speed, creating a grand touring coupe that feels just as comfortable cruising through the city as it does attacking winding mountain roads. The latest model refines everything enthusiasts already loved, bringing updated technology, improved performance, and an even more sophisticated driving experience. If you've ever dreamed of owning a Ferrari that combines everyday usability with unmistakable Italian passion, the 27 Ferrari Roma might just be the perfect machine. From every angle, the Roma looks like rolling artwork. The long hood, muscular rear haunches, and sweeping roofline create proportions that instantly capture attention without shouting for it. The front fascia has been subtly redesigned with slimmer LED headlights and a cleaner grille that gives the coupe an even more modern appearance. Sculpted body panels flow effortlessly into the rear, where redesigned taillights and an updated diffuser add a sportier touch while maintaining the car's elegant personality. New lightweight alloy wheels, fresh paint options, and carefully refined aerodynamic details help improve both efficiency and stability at higher speeds. It's a Ferrari that commands respect not because it's loud, but because every curve appears perfectly sculpted. Step inside, and the cabin surrounds both driver and passenger with premium craftsmanship. Fine leather covers nearly every surface, while carbon fiber and aluminum accents provide a sporty contrast. Ferrari has updated the digital dashboard with faster graphics, improved customization, and a more intuitive layout that places important information directly in the driver's line of sight. The center touchscreen responds quicker than before, offering seamless smartphone integration, navigation, and entertainment features. Even the passenger receives a dedicated display, allowing them to monitor speed, engine data, or navigation while sharing the driving experience. The supportive seats offer excellent comfort for long-distance touring while providing enough bolstering for spirited driving. Every switch, button, and control feels thoughtfully positioned, reinforcing Ferrari's commitment to creating a true driver-focused cockpit. Power continues to come from Ferrari's legendary twin turbocharged V8 engine, but engineers have refined its performance even further. The updated powertrain delivers stronger acceleration, smoother power delivery, and sharper throttle response. Combined with Ferrari's lightning-fast dual-clutch transmission, gear changes happen almost instantly, allowing the Roma to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in well under 4 seconds. The steering remains incredibly precise, giving the driver confidence through every corner, while the adaptive suspension balances everyday comfort with exceptional handling. Whether cruising on the highway or carving through challenging back roads, the Roma delivers an experience that feels both thrilling and refined. Advanced traction systems, improved braking performance, and multiple driving modes allow the car to adapt effortlessly to different road conditions and driving styles. Ferrari has also enhanced the Roma with the latest driver assistance technologies, including adaptive cruise control lane, keeping support, blind spot monitoring, and a high-definition surround view camera system. These additions make the Grand Touring Coupe easier to enjoy during daily driving without compromising its unmistakable Ferrari character. Pricing is expected to begin around $265 in the United States, with higher trims and personalized options pushing the total significantly higher. As always, Ferrari offers nearly endless customization possibilities, allowing buyers to create a Roma that reflects their unique style. The 2027 Ferrari Roma continues to prove that true luxury isn't just about speed, it's about creating an unforgettable driving experience every time you turn the key.